Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla.
Remember, you know, messages on cyber, you know, I got cyber and you, I will get locked down, you know. The falsification, you know. Remember, you better have some money to put down.
Yeah, but there again, my people. Blessed manners and respect to each and every one. My people. So I'm going to present to you some videos that I saw, or a certain amount of videos that have brought to my attention. People, see with me. I'm kind of a bit tired, but me there. So, my people, I am going to present to you pieces of videos that are going to show some things that happened when members of Transport Authority from within the country of Jamaica was at a location within the country of Jamaica, and based on some words that have been said in these pieces of videos by at least one person, I got the understanding that at least one person made some type of a blame pertaining to what happened to a motor vehicle. My people, observe.
Ford transport for million, I give be a trouble. Watch them. Be a trouble for million. Bust up a man crankcase and a bag of thing for million. Run down a man them brother. And if it top run down a man them brother. That's true. Where they part? Yeah.
You talk about people around on you. You see nobody around on nobody. Remember, you know, messages on cyber, you know, I got cyber and you, I will get locked down, you know. The falsification, you know. Remember, you better have some money to put down. That's the one, you know.
Did you hear what the person said? Did you hear what the person said? Let me present the other piece of video to you. I will pay you what the person said in the other video. So here's the other video.
Yeah, you have to go live for them around class. You have video me, you have video you too. You see that they black off million. Black off million. Transport black off million and lick out the man, bust the man, blood clot, oil come dog.
Stop it, I just said there's some blood clot. You think I hear that?
But all the late them. Where you moving? Don't leave, man.
So listen, I'll drive you across as well as the crankcase. Yo, show me sit down, man.
Yo, crankcase, boss, you know.
So what I'm saying?
Crankcase, boss, you know, general.
Come here now. Don't do that.
Nah, man, on a bus, the crankcase for the bus, man.
Listen, man. Top one, listen, man. The man can't stand up for this one. I stop where I can't drive and I keep like idiot.
General,
stop where I can't. Anyway, time go.
But hold on.
I tell you so we stay.
He bus, they did it.
Stabilize, man. Watch it. So we move from here now. So where will you find the local crankcase?
Transport them.
Stop.
Transport them. Bus, I don't lie, dog. Oh, no, easy, man. So the turn on the iPhone camera, you know. Quality, you know. And the man car, brother. Watch them, look at the roof on this one.
Now, my people, I am no mechanic like that. You see me, I say I'm no expert when it comes on to motor vehicles and so forth. Me, I'm not a mechanic. See me, I say, so therefore I can't really and truly confirm as to what might have happened to that motor vehicle. Me hear a person say some words in the video, I mean, I wonder, you know, certain things, you know. Anyways, you know, despite the fact that someone said certain words in one of these pieces of videos, these pieces of videos have been posted on social media, you know, and let me know what I think, people. Let me know what I think. Okay, so that's one topic right there. So, see, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when police was trying to restrain a person. At first, when I saw the video, I wondered what was going on because of the way how the person makes certain sounds from the mouth and where we see the person was at in the video. And then after a certain point, I realized that the person got up and did certain things in order to run away from the police. So based on the information that I got, it is said that the video had been recorded within the country of Guyana. It is said that police was trying to restrain a person. And in my point of view, that person was at a area that I would consider to be dirty. But the video shows when there was some type of struggle between the person and police. And then the person somehow managed to run away from the police. Basically, some people might say, get away from the police. Anyways, my people, let me present the video to you. Let me know anything about this type of situation. And viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. That part now wonder what the person, you know, like what's going on this one. That part of the video. The moment I start.
You make a run with big then.
Run! On this spot, boy, run! I can't put this on video. I can't hear one thing, officer. I can't run for this one. Run!
Look at the police. Look at what the police are wearing. Look how what the police are wearing get dirty up. Watch it. Huh? Hey, me see trouble in that situation there for the person will get away from the police or run away from the police. No. Me see trouble in that situation there. But I don't have any confirmed information as to how that situation might have turned out. But me see trouble there. So you let me know anything, my people. Oh, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. So I saw edited video of your subscribers that have me thinking, and that edited video shows a person at one point standing in front of a motor vehicle, and then the same edited video shows the same person sitting on something that is connected to a wrecker, and that thing was somewhat attached to a motor vehicle viewing subscribers. Now, when I look at the edited video and I look at the situation, I can assume as to what might have happened, but I didn't get any confirmed information as to what might have happened. But the edited video basically shows the person doing certain things that I consider to be dangerous. Where we see the person was standing at one point in part of the edited video, and then where we see the person was sitting at one point in part of the edited video, we find them two part they're dangerous. But anyways, just to talk about it because, you know, the edited video brought to my attention. Now, my people, I'm going to present to you pieces of videos that are going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a police service motor vehicle that has been operated by someone got damaged in a traffic collision. So, based on those pieces of videos that I saw, and based on certain unconfirmed information that I got the understanding that more than 2 motor vehicles had been damaged as a result of the traffic collision. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine how the incident happened. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine about any injury when it comes on to the situation viewing subscribers. I was told that more than 2 motor vehicles had been damaged as a result of the incident, but I didn't get confirmed information to determine certain details about the situation viewing subscribers. See? So I want to look at these pieces of videos and tell me how many damaged motor vehicles you think you see in at least one of these pieces of videos. And just to make it very clear, these pieces of videos had been recorded within the country of Jamaica, or the incident happened within the country of Jamaica viewing subscribers. See? And some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
Just a while ago.
Bumbo play to that police boy, them man.
A policeman, yeah man, see you talk about a pussy. The police are looking at me up just One second.
That was one of the pieces of videos. Just one of the pieces of videos.
A policeman father.
You know, say police just pass me, I miss so long he pass me. I want taxi man swing, so you know.
Police
You know, taxi man can't start, but that run down taxi man. I don't know nobody man around. I don't know nobody man. In a road nobody man. I ride some taxi man vehicle. So fast that. Me a driver comes and the police a come and miss so long and they pass me. When the police reach us, one taxi man swing on for them.
Here's another piece of the videos.
Collision.
Yes. And a 3-car, 4-car, the police 4-car.
Yeah.
Them, it's just carelessness.
Yeah man, we see that right in front of me.
But when me try to tell you that it's the same way the taxi them drive and the same way when you come and the same thing them do. It's just unfortunate that police them. It could have been somebody else. Taxi man them just. It's supposed to turn going at your way. It's not supposed to turn going at you, but them always think that now there's something and cause a lot of accidents.
I know people. Okay, you see that? Good day. So that and that they saw. Police motor vehicle they saw. John, my people, when it comes down to that situation, I know it look away, but I only hope for the best. See? I only hope for the best. Anyways, I think here's where I'm going to leave it. You know? So, big up and the respect to each and every one. Stay safe, walk good, drive good, be very careful on the road. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?